people. It is used to communicate. It is used during the festivals. It is used during the drums are used during the acts of worship of the various gods that we have. We have the masquerade, the Agogo festival. During the Agogo festival, they will bring out the drums to dance, to do and to communicate. And the drums are also used to remind the king or the leadership within the state about their promises to the people. That it's also time you promise the people that you are going to do this. They'll be using the drum to remind him about his promises, political promises, and social promises, cultural promises. They market women. If they want to have a message for the king, different ways by which they use the drums to communicate. The Yoruba drums are unique in Africa because they are used to talk, to communicate, to interact beyond using them for entertainment as mostly done by other ethnic groups in Africa.